Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Ott here, and today I'm going to read another story from Greek mythology. Once again, Greek mythology has to do with Greek gods and goddesses and the stories of them interacting with each other and other people. Today I'm going to read the story of Midas, the king who wanted more. Have you ever counted your coins and wished you had more? Listen to the story of King Midas. King Midas was the richest man in the world, but he still wanted more. When the god Dionysus offered to grant him one wish, Midas said, "I want everything I touch to turn to gold." "You already have all the wealth you need," Dionysus argued. "Why not use your wealth to help other people?" Midas refused, saying he wanted what he wanted. Dionysus shrugged, granted his wish, and vanished. Midas then went about the palace, touching chairs and walls, doors and tables, and all of it turned to gold. "This is wonderful," he cried happily. He hollered for his servants to prepare a feast. But when he touched the food, it too turned to gold. He couldn't eat. Even worse, when his daughter came and hugged him, she became a golden statue. "What have I done?" Midas cried. "I am rich, and yet I have nothing. The golden touch is not a blessing, but a curse." When Dionysus heard his cry, he took pity on Midas. "Go bathe in the river," he said, "and the curse will be removed." Midas did as he was told. When he returned to the palace, his daughter was alive and the food was edible. He opened the palace doors and invited everyone to enjoy the feast. From then on, Midas gave money to all who needed it. He was no longer the richest man on earth, but he was surely the happiest. So when you see the color gold, remember, people are more important than possessions, so be generous.